Hi, this is Gary with Gary Sprinkler Repair Service, and I'd like to say Happy New Year to you all. And as you were eagerly anticipating, this is going to be our video today, saying thank you to all of the people that have had the opportunity to watch our channel this year and to subscribe. And that's not even a necessity, but it's just my way of kind of saying I'd like to do a customer appreciation gift or an award, however you want to put that, for watching our channel. So you don't have to necessarily subscribe. It's just my way of saying thank you to all of you out there that have taken the time to watch our channel. I did want to take a second to make sure that you understand when you watch our channel, it's strictly to be informative. There's no intent at all to try to promote my business, and I appreciate all of you that have taken the time to watch the videos, and hopefully they've been helpful to you. And we plan on posting a lot more videos this year to help out. And as you know, our Customer Appreciation Award is going to be giving away 10 Rainbird 1800 lawn pop-up sprinklers. And I'd like to let our one lucky subscriber know that his name has been picked at random. His name is Tim Gervais. I think I'm saying that right. It's spelled Gervais, Tim Gervais. And if you'd like to send me a comment, a private comment, if you'd like, you can give me your address and I'll be mailing out those 10 Rainbird 1800 4-inch lawn sprinklers to you. And we're going to be doing a lot more customer appreciation giveaways this year as our way of just saying thanks for watching our channel. And we're out here just to kind of help educate and teach the sprinkler business to anyone that's looking to learn and try to save themselves some money and do things themselves. So again, Happy New Year. And Tim Gervais, I think I'm saying that right. Congratulations. So there you go.